of what's going on right now, before we even get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and check out the link in the screen as well as in the description box for ways in which you can help the Black community right now. And happy Pride Month to my Black LGBTQ plus honeys. For today's video, I thought it'd be so much fun to recreate this hairstyle that I saw Georgia post on her Instagram, and it brought me back to when I was a little girl and my mom used to put knockers and barrettes in my hair. Did you guys call them knockers? Because I did a little questionnaire on Twitter and a lot of people called them bobbles, bubbles, or bobos. I called them knockers growing up, so let me know what you called them. So we are going to be recreating this childhood hairstyle and doing a very grown-up version of it. I'm gonna call them puffy pigtails with knockers, and we're also going to do some fun baby hair art and add crystals to them. So for supplies, of course, you're going to need some stretched braiding hair. I got the purple kind. You're going to need some knockers. I got 3 packs. Some Swarovski crystals, of course, some edge control or whatever you want to use on your hair. I'm going to use some Got2b for my baby hairs and the crystal application. Some rubber bands. And some brushes, of course. My bad, they're dirty, you all. It's okay because I use them. Let's get into it. I did the back off camera. I'm just doing 3 little puffy pigtails because it's either on Amazon, you can either buy a 3-pack or a 5-pack. I wasn't trying to do 5 girls, so I just got the 3-pack. So now I'm going to take a very generous amount of edge control. I'm using 2, I'm mixing the 2 together. Everything that I'm using will be listed and linked down below because the names are just not off the top of my dome right now. So I'm really lathering my hair in that edge control, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a rat tail comb and just comb the roots of my hair. Don't comb it all the way through because you're gonna break your hair off. But this really enables the edge control or whatever product you put on your hair to really reach like the roots or underneath it, you know what I'm trying to say? So you don't have to part your hair and put product all throughout the parts. You can just comb it through and it works really well. And then I'm gonna go in with a smoothing paddle brush and just go ahead and smooth that product in so we have a nice neat ponytail. After that's all smooth, I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it with a thick ponytail holder. This is the thick kind because I don't want anything to break off my hair or to put too much tension on my hair, so I'm using a very thick ponytail holder. I'll see if I can find them on Amazon and link them down below. And then I'm gonna go in with my edge brush and just pull out the very front baby hairs, the ones that didn't really make it into the ponytail all the way. And then I'm just going to smooth my little ponytail even further. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a simple braid on the hair that's out so it doesn't peek through the pack hair that we're going to attach to our ponytail. After we're all braided, of course, I'm just gonna go ahead and secure that with a little rubber band. And now we're going to attach the hair. So this is really simple. Just take the rubber band that's already on the pack of hair and then put it around your ponytail. Take off the bottom rubber band of the pack of hair, unravel it, and then you're just going to make sure you cover your actual braid. So the root of this pack of hair wasn't really staying, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a bobby pin and really bobby pin that through my ponytail holder and my hair as well so it's secure. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my hair is fully covered by the fake hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and take some rubber bands, just 5 because I had 6 knockers in that pack, so just 5. And you only need to loop it once and just put it up and down the entire length of the fake hair. This will act as guidance for the knockers. And after that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and take all 6 knockers, put 1 at the top and 1 at each rubber band. And you only need to loop it once because the pack of hair is pretty thick. And these particular knockers were like very little. They weren't long at all. So you only needed to loop it once and just put it up and down the fake hair. And this looks so cool. I love the way this looks. I honestly wish I could wear this every day. I was really feeling it. It really is like a grown-up childhood hairstyle. And I'm going to go ahead and do that exact same process on the last section of my hair. And while you're here, if you need something to do while you're watching me do my hair, be sure to check out the link in my description box on ways in which you can help support Black lives. That link takes you to like an all-in-one place in which you can sign petitions, donate, and just overall show your support. All right, all of our sections are done and this looks so cute. Now it's time to do the baby hairs. So this honestly was very time consuming because I was trying to like get artistic, get artsy with it, focus on the details. So instead of using a brush, I'm actually using a spoolie, the back of like an angled eyeliner brush kind of thing. So I'm using the spoolie since I didn't have much hair out, but you see I have the hair that's, it's not the easiest to manipulate, like it's kind of springy and wiry. Like my hair just don't like to cooperate with me. Like I don't have edges that can be easily laid. I have to really work to lay them. So that's what I'm trying to do. It was kind of a tedious process, but I just wanted to make like fun swivels and fun little shapes and fun waves on my baby hairs the best of my ability. And I'm using just a little bit of Got2b to help me maneuver my baby hair, my hair, and help it cement to my face, honey. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera and realized, girl, your part is not centered. Oh well, honey, we already here. Let's go ahead and apply these crystals. This added such a beautiful and editorial artistic touch to the style. So I'm just taking a little bit of Got2b and putting it on the back of the crystal and then just sticking it on the baby hairs. I've seen people use lash glue for this, but I would not recommend putting lash glue in your hair because it's not water soluble. It can't just easily wash out of your hair. Got2b, once you add water to it, it does wash out of your hair. So just use Got2b, girl. That stuff is like glue anyways. And I'm just dotting crystals wherever I see fit, you know, to add a little dazzling touch to our baby hair art and to complete the style. The style is complete and I absolutely love it. This is like by far one of my favorite looks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.